Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into TRAE SOLO, the AI context engineer that goes beyond autocomplete and actually handles your entire development workflow from idea to deployment. TRAE SOLO is part of TRAE 2.0 and acts as an autonomous AI engineer inside a unified IDE. It plans, codes, tests, and deploys your features with just one prompt. It's what ByteDance calls a context engineer, and that's because it understands your entire project context before acting. Traditional AI tools respond linearly. You ask, they answer. Solo flips that on its head with what's known as context engineering. It takes time to understand the full scope, generates a PRD-style plan, and then executes step by step who benefits from Solo. For developers, it finds the right location in your codebase, writes, tests, and submits a PR, all without losing context. For product managers, ship clickable prototypes in minutes instead of weeks, no design handoffs. For designers, turn your mockups into working UI components using natural language, no code required to wrap up. TRAE Solo isn't just another AI assistant. It's your AI teammate that understands full context, plans your project, and ships features with minimal hands-on effort. If you're stuck on documentation overload or engineering bottlenecks, this could be a real game changer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered dev content. Let me know in the comments, what would you build with Solo?